My name's Sasha, and today I want to show you a cute little keychain. For today's project, you'll need a little bit of wire, a little bit of string, some pliers, some scissors to cut the string, and some beads and a crimp. This crimp's going to hold the string, and a little jump ring. I'm going to start with the little string bit that will attach to your keys. And this can be as long or as short as you want it to be. I'm gonna make mine quite long just because I think that's pretty. And you just put it in this little crimp and close this side, and then you close this side, and there'll be some bits on this side that we're just gonna cut off with the scissors. There we go. Can be thrown away. Now this little jump ring, I'm going to put it on the little loop there. I'm going to need 2 pliers just to open this one. It's quite a strong jump ring. Here we go. Did you think these were that easy to make? Okay, let's carry on to the pretty part of it. You'll need some wire and some beads. I'm going to start with the little joining bit, so I'm going to use 3 of these. Got 4, but I only need 3. I like having odd numbers of beads. I think that looks pretty. And then I've got these round nose pliers. I'm going to go quite low down because I want to make this join wrap round a bit. So it'll look like that. Okay, I've got it like this now, and I'm just going to twist this piece of wire around here so it makes it very secure, because as you know, keychains get thrown around a bit. Then I'm just going to tuck that little end bit in. There we go. It's going to look like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, I've made this little bit like that with the 2 loops, and now I've got a new piece of wire, and I've just made a loop with some round nose pliers, and I'm going to pull this together so it looks a bit like that. And I'm going to put both pieces of wire through this pretty heart. It doesn't have to be a heart, I just like heart shaped beads. And okay, it's going to look like that with a little loop in between the little top part of the heart. And I'm just going to loop this wire around that loop and back towards where it came in. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Just loop it round and back again. You can push it down a bit with your fingers. And then I'm going to put a spiral on this side and a spiral on this side. We've done quite a few spirals on this channel. Just start with your round nose pliers, and then I like to change to these ones. This wire's quite tough, so I need the pliers. I can't just do it with my fingers, although doing it with your fingers is easier. There we go. I might have something to hold now. Yeah, there we go. Now I can do it with my fingers. There we go. Just bring that all the way back up to the loop. Hey, it'll look like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, we've got a spiral on both sides, and now I want to start assembling. So I've got this jump ring and another pair of pliers, and I'm just gonna open it to the side and put it in here and connect this to this and close the jump ring. There we go. And I'm gonna get this jump ring and open it up again and put this end in and close it up. There we go. Nice little keychain. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more cute little projects.